Hey AutoCAD, today we are going to do, or rather we are going to make a solid surface countertop in section view with front V-fold edge and backsplash. So let's begin. As usual, we'll start from 0, 0 and we'll go 25 inches in terms of depth, negative zero point 0.5 inches. That's the thickness of solid surface. And let's make a front lip of make a front lip 0.5, 1.5. Oops, my mistake. Move. Okay, and let's make it a V-fold over here. And now we are going to give subtop. So our subtop is going to be 1-inch material. That's 1-inch particle board. So it's going to be 4, negative 1 inch. And then we are going to copy this and bring it to the front. Usually what happens, there's always a gap, air gap over here, that's 1/8 of an inch. We'll move it 0.125. So there's an air gap over here usually. That's a 1/8 of an inch setback. And let's make our backsplash 0.5, positive y-axis 4 inches. That's our backsplash. So usually it's a V-fold. And let's assign it to the layers minus subtop. And subtop will go into its own layer. That's going to be in my millwork. And then I'm going to have ladder frame, which is beyond. Okay, let's make block out of this one, and we'll make dynamic block out of this one as well. So insert, select all your object, create block. Let's say SSM stands for solid surface material, countertop section. Enter. Our block is ready. Let's edit the block editor, and let's assign some parameters and then some action to it. So first we'll give overall countertop depth, then we'll give front lip, then we'll give front rail, and then we'll give back rail, and then we'll give backsplash. Okay, let's name them. Depth, lip, front rail FR, back rail BR, BSPH, we'll give BSPH, BSPH, backsplash height. All right, let's give some action to it. Select, right click, action set, new action. Select all the objects that you want to stretch with. Okay, now this is where it gets tricky when you're talking about front lips. So select, selection set, you make your, select this one and just select the front lip and enter. Go back here, select, new selection, select, 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 and back rail. It's the wrong. This is the wrong parameter we took. We took array parameter. It should be stretch. I'm gonna name it as back rail PR new action the enter enter save. Our dynamic block is ready. You see now this before we started with two, now there is then we did four, and now there is five of them. So let me show you what these are for. This is going to stretch your overall countertop. This is only going to stretch your front lip of your countertop. This is only going to stretch your front rail. This will stretch your back rail, and this is going to stretch your backsplash. So this is how you do your countertop with 5 stretches. Let's go down and make it exact size. 25 inches deep, lip is 2 inches for example, and front is say 5 inches, back is 5 inches, and backsplash is 6 inches. Oops, my mistake. BSP is 6 inches and back rail is 5 inches. So you are done over here. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in when I'm going to make my another section for stone, which is 3 centimeters stone and with 2 centimeters backsplash. Thank you for watching.